how to add your Facebook link to your profile on Vimeo PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to Vimeo. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top here, click on your profile, then click on edit profile right here. And now after you click on it, all what you have to do is just scroll down until you find your website here. Click on add new link. Now all what you have to do is add your Facebook link, for example .com/how-to-media, for example, and here add the title, for example Facebook, and add the description from here, and then click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.